Well, when Sirius and I come here, what we do is we participate in the Read to the Dog program. And that's for children that are a little bit hesitant to read out loud in front of maybe classmates or a teacher or even a parent. They're not too hesitant about reading to a friendly listening dog.
Well, at our branch, it's been going on since about 2011. Martha Washington Library, which is one of the oldest branches, was renovated and reopened in 2010. And I was trying to find some new programs, and I noticed several of our branches had different versions of a Read to the Dog therapy dog reading program. So I started putting my feelers out. Sirius Black is the third dog that we've had. We absolutely love him, and he's been coming here for about a year, and the kids love him too.
Then he saw his mother waiting for him in the last of the daylight. With a rush and a hop, the little fox jumped up and held tight to his mother's soft fur.
"Oh, that's okay," Bean said. She had wished that there were peace on earth and no more litter. "Mr. Brown is smart as they come. He can do a hippopotamus chewing gum."
The children really love it, and you can see that when they come in, they relax. Some of them will draw pictures of Sirius before they leave. I have a lot of repeat readers that sign up the minute that they walk out of the room. They go to sign up for the next month's time slot. And so just seeing them really be interested in coming in and calling out Sirius's name and relaxing in his presence is just a really nice thing.
Parents have mentioned to us that it has improved their child's reading, and often after one session they can't wait to register for the next session.
"I'm not coming," he shouted. "You'll have to try and find me."